Hello all. We'll discuss one more useful topic which will be helpful to primary class students. Okay. The topic is percentage. Okay. In our day-to-day life, we use percentages. Okay. Percentages will use solving mathematics problems and in any businesses and in many areas we use the percentage. Okay. But before starting, what is first of all percentage? Percentage is something like some part of the quantity. Okay, we are expressing some part of the quantity in percentage. Okay, percentage is some here example when anyone says x percent. Okay, x percent means what? It is like x by 100. Okay, and y percent. Okay, means y by 100. So it means what? X percent means x part of 100. It is equal to x part of 100. Similarly, y percent means what? Y part of 100. Y part of 100. Okay. Similar. This is the way it will go. Okay. Suppose percentages are very helpful, and this will come in many competitive exams. Okay. We'll see some simple problems. Okay. 20%. So 20% means it is earlier what we discussed. Percentage means it is always by 100. 20 by 100. So when we convert this percentage to equivalent fraction, 0 0 cancel, 2 1 ja 5. That is 1 by 5. Okay. Similar way 25%. Okay. So equivalent form is what? Always 25 by 100 because it is percentage. 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. Okay. Now we will discuss some more basic, very basic concepts of percentage. Okay. What is the equivalent value of 1%? What is the equivalent value of 1%? That is 1 by 100. What is the equivalent value of 2%? That is 2 by 100. So when we convert to equivalent, what? 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 0. That is 1 by 50. Similar way, 3%. 3% is what? 3 parts of 100. That is 3 by 100. 3 by 100. There is no change. 4% is what? 4 by 100. So when we convert to the fraction, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 0. Okay. Again, if you divide this, 2 1 ja 2, 225. So equivalent part is what? 1 by 25. Okay. So this is the way you will convert this percentage to some fraction values. Now we'll start with the basic problems of percentages. Okay. So Vikram purchased a toy. Okay. He purchased a toy. Always purchase value we'll call it as cost price. Okay. He purchased. Cost of purchasing value is 1000 rupees. Okay. And he sold that toy for 1500. That is selling price is 1500 rupees. Okay. So basic thing is what? Suppose if you want to, here the selling price is greater than cost price. So always whenever the selling price is greater than cost price, definitely there will be profit. Okay. What is the profit over here? Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. That is 1500 minus 1000. Okay. Which will give the values 500. So what is the profit percent? Profit percent means what? It is profit percentage is what? Profit percent is profit by cost price into 100. What is the profit here? 500 rupees. So 500 divided by cost price. Cost price is 1000 rupees into 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So what is the percentage? So Vikram got 50%. Okay. How will you solve this problem in 10 seconds? Because the difference of selling price and cost price is what? 500. So it is almost 50%. So direct the answer is also 50%. But if you solve by using the formula, you can use this method. Profit percentage is profit by cost price into 100. we'll discuss one more simple problems. Okay. Here, first in this video we are covering simple problems. Then we'll go some like medium problems, and again we'll go to the critical problems. Okay. A showroom. First they declared the price of a Jeep as 3 lakhs. Okay. Later, initially the price of the Jeep was they declared as 3 lakhs. Later they have reduced the price by 10%. Okay. Then what is the new price of this particular Jeep? What is the new price of this particular Jeep? Okay. Here you can solve this problem two ways. Okay. Simple method is what? New price is equal to when 100% value is equal to, because this is the actual price, that is 3 lakhs. Okay. So 10% is reduced, means what is the 90% value of this one? Okay. This being unknown. So 90 by 100 into 3 lakhs. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. 9 3 is 27. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,70,000 is the new price of the Jeep. This is one way. What is the other way? 10% is reduced. What is the 10% of 3 lakhs? That is 30,000. Directly subtract 30,000 from 3 lakhs. You will get the value as 2,70,000 rupees. It looks like problem is very simple, but only thing is it's up to us the way how we can solve in very quickly. We'll discuss some more simple problems over here. Okay. What is the value of 15 by 20 percentage? Okay. So if you want to convert any number to percentage, what is the method? Okay. We want to convert to this 15 by 20 as percentage. What is the method? Method is multiply this fraction with 100. Okay. So 5 3 is 50, 5 4 is 20. Okay. And so if you calculate this, what? 300 divided by 4. So 300 divided by 4 means what? 4 7 is 28. Okay. 2 0. 4 5 is 20. So percentage is about 75%. So this is the way. If any fraction is given, what is the equivalent form of the percentage value? You just multiply by 100 and you will get the answer. Okay, sometimes in many competitive exams you will get the problems like this. What is the percentage of 100 grams in a kg? In a kg. So to solve this, what is the best way? First, we need to know what is 1 kg. We know 1 kg is what? 1000 grams. So here the value is what they are asking. 100 grams is how much percentage in 1 kg. So 100 by 1000. Okay, this is the value. But you want to convert this to percentage. So 100 by 1000 multiplied by 100. Okay. So 100, 1 is 100, 100 is 1000. So 100 by 10 is what? That is 10%. Because 10 is 100. So this is the way you need to solve the problem. So today in this video what we covered is all the simple problems. What are the basics of percentage? Okay. On how we can convert the fractions to percentage. These we covered. In the next videos we will see some medium type of complexity and some more complex problems we will see. Thank you all. Thanks.